What's up, guys? Webhead Collects here, and we got a package today from the Fox Marvelous Shots. So let's check out what we got. Let's do it. Oh, big ass box. Yo, Mythic Legions Extravaganza. Sound the horn. Boom! Mythic Legion's New Wave Atheist. Yeah. We got boom! Yeah. Another new Mythic Legions from the New Wave. We got Brodeur. Yeah. An oldie but a goodie. Boom! Urza. Oh, yeah. Mr. Urza. Yeah. Boom! We got her. Neve. We got Miss Neve from the New Wave. Mythic Legions Wave. Yeah. And boom! We got the Mythic Legions exclusive Legendary Warrior Barbarian Girl. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Thank you so much, Marvelous, for this wonderful package. You the man. I love it. Shout out to the Fox Marvelous Shots, bruh. We out of here. Peace. Just your friendly neighborhood